put it on a hanger. It will make cleaning easier. My grandma taught me this trick, and my sisters use it too. It really helped me keep my home tidy. Often a mop can't reach certain spots, it's simply too thick, especially under cabinets or behind the fridge. But I've got a trick that will surprise you. All you need is a sock and a clothes hanger. Yes, just a hanger and a sock. With this method, you'll reach all those tricky places with ease. Just slip the sock onto the arm of the hanger like I did. For best results, use 2 socks, 1 for each side. Old or mismatched socks work perfectly. Look how simple it is. Now you can easily clean every spot that used to be a struggle. You can reach and remove all the dust under the fridge. No need to move it. Narrow gaps between cabinets. No problem with your sock-covered hanger. Even the wall behind the radiator, which no one ever cleans, will finally get dusted. Plus, it's super convenient. After cleaning, just take off the sock, shake it out, and toss it in the washing machine if you want to reuse it. If the socks were already destined for the trash, just throw them away. Stick a sanitary pad to a mop. You'll never need to climb a ladder again. I'll show you how to do this trick. Take a sanitary pad and place it on the floor mop handle. Then, remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick it to the mop. Now, pour some dish soap onto the pad, followed by a bit of water. The pad will absorb the soap perfectly. Use this tool to clean your bathroom. You won't need a ladder anymore. People often forget how important it is to clean the bathroom walls. A lot of bacteria accumulate on the wall. You can also add some glass cleaner to the pad. With this trick, you'll reach every tile effortlessly. Watch as the pad picks up dirt perfectly. Your tiles will shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. Pour this on your mop, and it will always stay clean. I never spend money on new equipment. A dirty mop is a breeding ground for bacteria and bad odors, collecting dust and grime. Here's a simple trick to make your mop bright white and fresh. Start with a small plastic bag or mesh sack. This will be your cleaning station. Place the dirty mop head inside. Sprinkle some laundry detergent to break down dirt, then add dish soap to dissolve grease. Next, add baking soda for its disinfecting power. Finally, pour in warm water to activate all the ingredients. Tap the mop a few times on the floor to create foam that lifts the dirt. Tie the bag tightly and let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, prepare 2 buckets of water. Take the mop out and rinse it thoroughly. Done. Your mop is now spotless, fresh, and like new, all without endless scrubbing. A quick and easy way to refresh your mop at home. Don't throw away your old mop. Don't waste money on a new one when you can easily refresh it. A dirty mop doesn't clean, it spreads dirt and leaves streaks. Regular cleaning removes accumulated dust, dirt, and bacteria, making your floor truly clean. Start by removing the mop head and preparing a large bowl or bucket. Pour 100 milliliters of floor cleaner, which will remove dirt and leave a fresh scent. Add 100 milliliters of vinegar. It has antibacterial properties, dissolves grease, and effectively eliminates streaks. Then, add 500 milliliters of hot water and soak the mop in this mixture. Let it sit for an hour to allow the dirt to dissolve. While waiting, clean the bucket. Spray it with cleaning fluid, scrub with a sponge, and rinse thoroughly. After an hour, remove the mop, pour a small amount of cleaner over it, and scrub with a brush. Finally, rinse thoroughly and leave it to dry. Done. Your mop is clean, fresh, and looks like new. Repeat this process regularly, and cleaning will become easier with streak-free floors. Once you clean your mirrors with a mop, you'll never go back. Spray your mirror with your favorite glass cleaner, then grab a clean microfiber mop and start wiping. It's effortless, and you can reach every high corner without needing a ladder. No more struggling with streaks or messy cloths. Try it once with a mop, and you'll forget your old cleaning methods. This is how mirrors should be cleaned. Have you ever used bubble wrap to clean the floor? Give it a try and you'll see the difference. Flat floor mops are often chosen for floor cleaning. Despite their large surface area, you may often notice that dirt only accumulates on the edges. As a result, floor cleaning takes longer and isn't sufficiently effective. That's where the bubble wrap trick comes in handy. Almost everyone has this popular product at home. Before tossing it in the trash, we usually enjoy popping it. It's a stress-relieving activity that calms everyone down. However, you can use bubble wrap in another way before getting rid of it. A cleaner floor thanks to it will surely calm you down too. Bubble wrap has protrusions that allow you to wipe the floor with the entire surface of the mop. You'll evenly clean the entire floor. Use regular paper towels or some cloths for this. Spread them out and place bubble wrap on them. Place the mop on top of it. Wrap a paper towel with bubble wrap around it. Secure everything with rubber bands. Now you can start cleaning the floor as usual with this mop. You won't feel like the mop is skipping any bumps anymore. The bubble wrap will ensure that the floor is evenly wiped. Dirt will be collected across the entire surface of the mop. So you'll put in less effort into floor cleaning, and the result will be amazing. Try it on your floor and let us know what type of mop you use. Grab a bucket and the mop you usually use to clean the floor. In the bucket, prepare a mixture. Pour about 1 liter of hot water into the bucket. It shouldn't be boiling, but still hot. Add 2 cups of vinegar, which has disinfecting and cleaning properties, leaving no streaks and removing bacteria from surfaces. Next, add 50 grams of baking soda, which also disinfects. Then add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. This mixture removes dirt, grime, stains, and bad odors. Mix everything together. Soak the mop in the bucket, as you would when cleaning the floor. Squeeze out the excess water and start cleaning the bathtub. You can clean it thoroughly without bending over. The tub will be perfectly clean. Rinse it with water and let it dry. If there's any excess water left, use a microfiber cloth to wipe it away. You'll see that the tub will shine with cleanliness like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. Put your mop in a bag and you'll get rid of dirt and streaks on your floors for good. Simply tie the mop in a bag and you'll eliminate the issue of dirty floors once and for all. We often leave our mops dirty and damp when we shouldn't, which can lead to the growth of mold and bacteria. But I've got a genius trick that will clean it thoroughly. You only need a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. Grab a garbage bag, put the mop inside, and sprinkle 1 scoop of laundry detergent over it. Next, pour some dishwashing liquid onto the mop. Tie the bag and leave it for about 30 minutes. After that, take the mop out and rinse it in a bucket of clean water. You can repeat this process twice, and I guarantee your mop will stay clean for a long time. Give it a try. You'll see that in just a few minutes, your mop will be spotless and as good as new. This simple trick will not only extend its lifespan, but also help you say goodbye to streaky floors.